Felix goes to preschool. Felix is starting preschool. On Friday, he picked out a fun new backpack. On Saturday, he practiced eating his lunch from his lunchbox. On Sunday, Mama read him books about other children who go to preschool. Felix has been so excited, but now it's Monday. Today is the first day of preschool, and he has a new feeling. I don't want to go to school, he whispers. Sometimes I feel nervous when I do something new. Do you think you might be feeling nervous? Asks Mama. Felix nods. Staying busy can help, Mama says. Let's get dressed. Felix puts on his fish t-shirt. Mama is right. Having something to do makes him feel better. I was nervous on my first day of school too, says Mama. But my teachers were friendly and I got to try new things. Starting school can be fun. Are you ready to try it? Felix takes a deep breath and picks up his backpack. Yes, he says. On the way to school, Mama and Felix play their favorite game. I love you more than I love dogs with waggy tails, Mama says. I love you more than I love coloring with markers, says Felix. That's a lot of love, Mama winks. Hello, Felix. I'm your teacher, Miss Sharon. Felix holds on tight to Mama's leg and looks at the floor. His nervous feeling is back. I heard that you like the moon, says Miss Sharon. I have a book about the moon. Would you like to see it? Felix nods and pulls on Mama to come and see it too. I'm going to leave now, Felix, Mama says. I will pick you up after music time. Let's do a 3-second hug. They wrap their arms around each other. 1, 2, 3. But Felix doesn't want to let go. This is hard. I don't like leaving you when you're so upset, says Mama. But I trust your teacher and I believe you can do this. I'll be back to pick you up after music time. Mama gives him a kiss and then she leaves. It's okay to feel sad, Felix, says Miss Sharon. Let's put your backpack in your special cubby and then we'll read the moon book together. Felix's day is busy and full. The first thing he does is listen to Miss Sharon read the moon book to the whole class. He learns about the letter A during circle time. He eats a snack with new friend named Jenna. He does his own special work and even gets to color with markers. Felix still misses Mama a little bit, but school is exciting. After lunch, it's music time. The children all play different instruments. Felix loves how they sound when they play together. Soon he hears a familiar voice at the door. Hello, my sweet Felix. Mama's back. Felix runs to her and gives her a great big 10-second hug. Then he turns to Miss Sharon and waves. On the way home, Felix and Mama play their game. I love you more than I love cinnamon toast, Mama says. I love you more than I love school. That's a lot of love, Mama says. I can't wait to hear all about your day. The end.